So CMHC just moved the goalpost on housing affordability, and it's not good news. Hi, I'm Bill Ocean. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Watch. My team and I help buyers and sellers all across the GTA. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below or click the link in the description to book a call. So remember when the target was to make homes as affordable as they were back in the early 2000s? Well, CMHC has now dialed that back. Their new goal is to get us only to 2019 levels, when owning a home already felt impossible for most people. So that's not progress, it's surrender. So for years, CMHC said, if we just built more homes, the problem would be solved. But meanwhile, Canada's population has been exploding, and Canada took in over 1.2 million new people in 2024 alone. But CMHC barely sounded the alarm. So what was their plan? Or shall I say, flawed plan? Build, build, and build was the entire strategy. And CMHC even talked about tripling housing completions almost overnight, which is totally unrealistic. They ignored the other half of the story, which was demand fueled by record immigration, temporary residents, investors, and short-term rentals. Now, in Toronto, by 2019, you needed 59% of your gross income just to carry a typical home. CMHC now treats that as acceptable. What used to be 30% of your gross income has now doubled. So short-term rentals alone pulled 100,000 plus homes out of long-term markets. Yet CMHC did nothing. So you may ask, what's really going on? Homes are being treated as investment chips, not shelter. And investors, including some politicians, keep buying more of the housing stock. And CMHC's model is to focus on market stability, not on getting regular Canadians into homes. We didn't end up here because we built too slowly. We ended up here because policy ignored the full picture, which was demand for housing for regular people and not used as an investment share. So if we want the next generation to own a home, we can't just settle for 2019 prices as the finish line. We need policies that keep supply growing and tame demand. Otherwise, ownership keeps slipping away. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button if the breakdown helped, and subscribe for more weekly real estate news. And I'll see you in the next video.